Hey, CrossFit Advanced. Welcome to your WOD Explained for Thursday, January 30th. We have a short Metcon in store for you today, but lots of little things going on. So here we go. Still Bring a Friend for Free week. It being Wednesday, and it started Monday, and it's for a week long. Yeah, still doing it till Friday. So group warm-up at the top of the hour, 2 rounds of our CFA normal work warm-up with the coaches scrutinizing your every move. Then, skill review, hollow rock. It's a gymnastics-based movement that requires a lot of core strength and stability. So if you think you got a strong core, wait until you try this sucker out. So it's going to be 8 minutes you're going to spend on this. 4 minutes of skill review with the coaches explaining how it's done. And then 4 minutes for you guys to accumulate 30 reps in that hollow rock position when your body's going to look like this. You'll see it. There's a video on our website for it. Then the buy-in is going to be for max load. And with a 4-minute time cap. So it's not really for time, but you only have 4 minutes to get it done. So it sort of is. You're trying to use as much weight as possible to do. I didn't write how many in this. I think I wrote 20 muscle snatches. So it's 20 muscle snatches with the most weight you could possibly use to do 20 muscle snatches, getting it done in under 4 minutes, and doing them unbroken. That words say sort of. So what I mean by that is at 3, 2, 1, go, from the floor, you're going to muscle snatch, which is coming up from the ground to overhead in one motion without any dipping. There's no re-dipping or dipping of any kind. No dipping allowed. So, the muscle snatch is what we do during the Bergener warm-up, but it starts from the floor instead of a hanging muscle snatch. So 20 muscle snatches, unbroken sort of. What I mean by that is that you can rest here, you can rest in the front rack, you can rest with the bar on your shoulders in a back squat position. As long as it doesn't rest on the floor, you can rest to get your 20 reps done with the most weight possible, but you still have to get it done in under 4 minutes. So warm up and then try to figure out a weight that you think you can do 20 reps unbroken with. That is your buy-in. Then for your workout, it's 21:59 rep rounds for time of box jumps at 30 and 24 inches, followed by ring dips. Okay, 21:59. Then, when you're done with that, you're going to have a cash out, which is 5 rounds for time of the CFA suicide sprints. So let me tell you what that is. So if you go to our chart over here, which I've drawn out, that. How about it? Okay, so this is your start at the one side of the room. You're going to sprint up to a cone at 5 yards, touch the floor. Sprint back to your original starting point, touch the floor. Sprint to a cone at 10 yards and touch the floor. Sprint back, touch the floor. Then sprint across the gym to the cone that's just before the wall. And then sprint back. That is 1 round. Okay, so 5 sprint up and back, 10 sprint up and back, 15-yard sprint up and back. It's yards. So that's 1 round. You guys are doing 5 rounds for time with a 30-second rest at the end of each round. So you go up 5, back, up 10, back, up 15, back, look at the clock, rest 30 seconds, repeat 4 more rounds, and your total time is what you post to results for the cash out. So for your Thursday, January 30th short Metcon WOD, group warm-up, skill review of hollow rock, followed by 30 reps. Buy-in, 20 muscle snatches with a 4-minute time cap for max load, followed by 21:59 of box jumps at 30 and 24, and ring dips. And then lastly, 5 rounds of suicide sprints with a 30-second rest at the end of each. There you have it. WOD Explained, Thursday, January 30th. Have a great workout, and we'll see you here tomorrow for Friday. It's WOD.